In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete indicators in TradingView. This is a simple but important skill, especially if your chart is starting to look cluttered or you've added an indicator you no longer need. Cleaning up your workspace will help you focus on price action and make better trading decisions. Let's start with the basic idea. Indicators in TradingView, like moving averages or oscillators, usually appear directly on your chart or in separate panels below it. Each one has its own label, and that's exactly where you'll go to remove them. Look over to the left side of your chart area. Here, you'll see a list of the indicators that are currently applied. For example, if you're using a moving average, you might see something like MA, or moving average, displayed next to the chart. This area is your main control center for managing what's visible on your screen. Find the name of the indicator you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have several similar indicators with different settings. Once you've located it, move your mouse over that indicator name. When you hover over it, a few small icons will appear next to the name. One option is to click on the three dots that appear beside the indicator's name. This opens a small menu with several choices related to that indicator. In that menu, look for the option labeled Remove and click it. As soon as you do, the indicator will disappear from your chart and the screen will immediately look cleaner. There's also an even quicker way. Instead of opening the menu, you can click directly on the small trash can icon or remove icon that appears when you hover over the indicator's name. This icon is specifically designed for deleting that indicator in one step. Just click it and the indicator is removed instantly. If you change your mind, you can always add the indicator back later using the indicators menu at the top of the screen and reapplying your preferred settings. For now though, focus on removing anything you don't actively use. Keeping only the most relevant tools on your chart can make it easier to read trends and avoid analysis paralysis. So remember, hover over the indicator name on the left side of your chart, then either open the three-dot menu and choose Remove, or click the trash icon directly. That's all there is to deleting indicators in TradingView.